Hello and welcome to another tutorial of Python for penetration testers. In today's tutorial, we will deal with directory, how Python can help us in directory navigation, directory creation and all, right? So it's very simple in Python and very straightforward, nothing very much complicated over here, right? So let's do it. So let's get into our Python terminal. All right, I'm in. So first of all, what we are going to do, we are going to import OS model. Let's say import OS. Yes, it's important. So let's say I want to get the current working directory I am in, right? So in Linux, if I want to get the current working directory, I say pwd, right? So in Python, we have something similar to pwd, that is os dot get cwd, current working directory, right? And it's saying me I'm in home salam salve. Yes, perfect, right? Let's say I want to create a directory. So how we do it in Linux? We'd say mkdir, that means main directory. So similar we have here in Python too. So we say os dot make directory, okay, and name of the directory. So let me say new directory, right? Yes. So new directory has been created. So let's say I want to list out all the files that are there in the current directory. So if you see, I'm in the current directory is home slash salam sajid. So if I want to list out like something like the functionality of what ls does in Linux, right? So same functionality if I want to achieve it in Python, I'm going to do os dot list directory, right? Dot, press enter. So these are all the files that is there, right? Tons of them. You don't want to read it out. Models.py, function.py, pictures, public, templates, and blah blah, lots of things, right? So it does the same functionality as that of ls in our Linux command, right? Fine. If I want to list out directories, right? What are the directories which is available in the root? So how we can do is that is os dot list directory, right? And if you remember in Linux, root is symbolized by slash. So in root, yes, I can expect we have bin, boot, dev, etc, home, init, lib32, user, var, and so on, right? All right. Let's say, I think, let's say we want to make a program to check whether items in a directory is a file or a directory. Okay. So if you let me repeat it. If you have not understood, I'm going to write a program, or we want to write a program that items which are available in the present working directory is a file or a directory. So if you see, these are all the directories, right? This user var and all, and in here if you see this function.py, models.py, all these are files. Yes. Okay. So I want now that my Python program to identify and give me a result back, because I'm very lazy. I don't want to go like looking which one is file, which one is a directory, right? So let's make one. So let's say a vim directory, directory file finder dot py. Is there any mistake? Have I given space or what? It's saying invalid syntax. Maybe let's say vim directory file dot py. Still an error. What's the mistake? Oh, okay, okay, we are in the Python now. Sorry, I'm really sorry about this. Let us get out of this, right? And let's clear the stuffs. I forgot that I was in the Python terminal itself. Alright, so let's say vim directory file finder dot py. Yes. So first of all things which are available in the directory, we can list it out as an item. So let's say for first of all, let's give the path user slash bin slash env is Python, right? So let's say for items in os.list dir, okay, and this dir will have dot to list out all the directories, right? If os.path dot file, sorry, is file, give it to the item, or we pass the argument as item. Now what we're going to print, we're going to print item, right, plus is a file. Okay, so how we identify it is a file or not? So in Python we have something called isFile. So if in the path we get a file, return the value to the item, okay, and item is getting printed. Clear? Else if elif, that we say elif os dot path, right, dot is dir, put it to the item, print item plus is a dir, right? And if there is nothing it has got, let's say else, let's say else print, okay, nothing found in this directory, right? Let's run it. Let's say python directory.py. Okay, we have some typos. It's saying, okay, yes, there should be. We have not imported our OS module over here. Let's do import OS, right? It should now work perfectly. We have another item is not defined. Okay, so is there any typos or something? Okay, it's items. Let me just remove S. Good. So we got a list, right? So it's saying .ic authority is a file, bashrus is a file, local is a file, right? And then we have logdoor framework is a directory, templates is a directory. Awesome, right? So I'll leave you as an assignment. So let's say we want to find a specific file. Let's say a specific file which is of a specific type, an image, JPG, PNG format or MP4 format. How we are gonna do this? So I'll leave that as your assignment. If you are able to do it, post it up in the comment section. Give your GitHub link, right? All right. So thank you very much. And please don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel if you are enjoying your time over here, and do recommend to your friends or the people in the InfoSec community. Okay, thank you very much. See you in the next session.